East Coast Toyota Scion is the recent recipient of the Board of Governors Award, the President's Award, and a Circle of Excellence Award. These accolades are only awarded to dealers achieving record sales, while offering the highest level of customer service in the industry. East Coast Toyota Scion ranks among the top 60 volume sales Toyota dealerships and top 20 in finance and insurance products nationally. East Coast Toyota was founded in 1994 and it's conveniently located on RTE 17 South in Woodridge, NJ in the heart of northern New Jersey, just minutes from Giant Stadium in New York City. For your shopping convenience, East Coast Toyota Scion has extended hours Monday through Saturday, where we welcome you to shop the area's largest inventory of new, certified and pre-owned vehicles.